here, you ready? Here's the rest of it. Don't worry about that part. Here you go. Put that on. Now put it in. Okay, so when the flight attendants take off and land, they have to have both their feet on the floor like this. They can't cross their legs. They're supposed to go like this. And they have to put all these seat belts on and lean back. Every time. Yeah. It is a lot of seat belts. And the seats aren't comfortable like the ones back there. Yeah, they don't stick together real well. All right, you're stuck. Yeah, see, it doesn't work real well. Just pull. Good job. All right, here's your one. Here's this one. Turn it around. Turn this one around. I'd already seen that. There you go. Just like that. So, all right, come on. When she leaves, I need somebody to stand right there. Because that one, hold this one. Oh no. Okay. Instructing. Put both your feet on the floor. Yeah, I have a hard time too. It's okay. Okay, I know. Mine don't touch either. Okay. Put that one on. All right, you ready? Take this one. Don't worry about that one. We don't have big enough bodies to... All right, there. Pull the strap. And pull this one.
You guys go that way.
You are ready for takeoff and landing.
We're just trying to get unbuckled here.
Okay, so now are you going to go help the passengers?